Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I just wanted to pop in here quick to show you a tutorial for modifying this really fun Stamp Market bag die. I love this set of dies. Now, it comes with two different sizes of bags. I'm going to explain. The first one is perfectly suited for gift cards. And here you can see it cuts out the whole bag. You just put some glue on the flaps, you stamp it, decorate it. And I tucked a coordinating Halloween gift card inside there to Starbucks. That's a fun gift for a coworker if you don't want to give candy. And then I wanted to take the larger handle and make a similar bag, but it doesn't have the whole body. It would have cost a fortune to produce that kind of a die. So what I did was I determined how wide my paper needed to be, and I took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock and I cut it into one long 11-inch strip, but it's only 5 3/4 inches wide. And then I scored it down the middle there at the 5.5 inches, and then I scored really long score lines along the long edges, 11 inches, just a half an inch from each of those long sides. And you look at my diagram there and you can see what I mean. So then I took the larger handle and centered that between those longer score lines, and I sent it through my die cutting machine one direction, then removed the die, rotated it, and taped it down again and sent it through the other direction. So I had the handle cut at both ends of this strip of cardstock. So now I'm going to use these score lines as a guide to create my little flaps for assembling it. So I went ahead and folded it in half where I knew the bottom of the bag would be. And then I'm going to use my scissors to clip some little angled cuts there at the bottom and then at the top of the bag. And these are going to become my bag flaps when I go to assemble it. So I'm just going to trim that part away. I don't need it. And once I have both of those done, I can take the bag and rotate it, work from the other end, and I'm going to trim by cutting along that same score line. This time I'm going to cut just straight all the way up to where that angled cut is, and I reach the bottom of the bag. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side. You could use a straight edge paper trimmer if you have one. I just did this with scissors really quick for this demonstration. And there you can see I have a bigger bag that is the same as the smaller one. And all I have to do is now fold those flaps on the side, and you could put some Be Creative tape there on the sides and assemble it together, and you've got a really cute bag. You could put a cookie in it, or anything more flat inside it. And I have more Halloween treat ideas over on my blog at julieebersole.com if you'd care to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful.